Welcome to Review Rumble. The best callus remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about foot care. Calluses can be unsightly and even painful, but with the right product, you can achieve smooth, healthy feet from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of callus removers, exploring different types, and helping you find the perfect one to banish those rough patches and reveal the soft, touchable skin beneath. Number 5. Colossal Foot Rasp Foot File and Callus Remover. This is the perfect tool for achieving soft and smooth feet. It's designed to remove hard skin and calluses effectively. You can use it whether your feet are wet or dry, offering flexibility and convenience. It gives equally good results either way, so you can choose what works best for you. Its large yet lightweight design makes it easy to handle. This tool provides quick and amazing smoothness with minimal effort. Remember to use it gently, and avoid applying too much pressure. This tool is designed to work with gentle motions on dead skin and thick calluses. For the best results, follow the manufacturer's directions. This will help you achieve the soft, fancy feet you've always wanted. What we like. This foot file works equally well on wet or dry feet, offering flexibility in your routine. Its large, lightweight design makes it easy to handle and provides quick smoothness. If you like to have the option to use it in the shower or after a bath, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Removes stubborn calluses with ease. It takes off calluses quickly and easily. It works much better than visiting a podiatrist. I soaked my feet in warm water for about 10 minutes first, and then used it very gently and applied a small amount of pressure moving in one direction. All the callus was removed in a matter of seconds with no pain whatsoever. Number 4. Lee Beauty 8-ounce Gel Callus Remover. Tired of rough, calloused feet? This fast-acting gel works wonders. It removes dead skin and smooths rough patches, leaving your feet feeling refreshed. This isn't just a remover, it's skincare. The formula hydrates and softens your skin. It targets dry, cracked areas, providing moisture and rejuvenation. Skip the expensive salon visits. Simply apply the gel for a few minutes, rinse, and use a pumice stone. You can achieve spa-like results in your own home. This product is perfect for cracked heels. It removes tough buildup, allowing new skin to surface. Regular use improves the texture and appearance of your feet. For the best results, pair this gel with the Lee Beauty Rasp Kit. These tools enhance every step of your at-home pedicure. It elevates your self-care routine. What we like. This gel callus remover quickly removes dead skin and softens your feet. It also hydrates the skin, leaving your feet feeling soft and supple. If you are looking for a complete skincare solution that delivers spa-like results in minutes, you should consider it. What people say. I like how it is sort of a thick gel-like substance and not runny. I waited about 5 minutes, then took my towel and started to rub the substance off of the heels of my feet and was shocked that this super thick hard skin on my heels was actually crumbling off my feet. The Lee Beauty Gel Callus Remover works surprisingly well. I had rough heels and a stubborn callus on my big toe, and this softened everything in just a few minutes. Number 3. PRITECH Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. This is the ultimate solution for smooth, healthy feet. It's a rechargeable, portable, and professional foot care tool designed to remove dead, hard, and cracked skin. This device will transform your foot care routine. The PRITECH Callus Remover is designed for your convenience. It supports plug-and-play and recharges fully in just 2 to 3 hours. The battery provides up to 45 minutes of use, making it perfect for your foot care needs. This foot scrubber is completely waterproof with an IPX6 rating. You can rinse it under running water or even submerge it. However, we recommend avoiding frequent submersion to ensure its longevity. It provides excellent foot care. It features 2 speed settings with 1,900–2,200 turns per minute. It comes with 3 roller heads with varying roughness for different skin types. It's safe and effective, especially after a bath when the calluses are softened. Give the gift of beautiful feet. This electric callus remover removes dead skin and calluses, saving time and money. It's the perfect foot groomer for you, your family, and friends. We care about your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us immediately. We're here to provide solutions and ensure you and your loved ones enjoy the best foot care experience. What we like. This electric foot file is rechargeable and waterproof, making it convenient and safe to use. It comes with multiple roller heads to address different skin types. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for your foot care routine, this is the one for you. What people say. I think it went for maybe 10-15 minutes and I just stayed on the medium file on what was definitely a rough file kind of job and was amazed by how well it still worked. When I first started this, my calluses were so thick I couldn't even feel the vibration of the roller unless I was at the thin arch of my foot. Now I can feel it a bit on my heels, so it's definitely doing a lot. It got delivered this afternoon and I immediately turned it. Within 2 that bad boy was 80% gone. It took a few more minutes to get the rest of it. I will say there is a hint of it still, but I'm hoping with lotion and this guy a few more times it'll be gone. It also didn't hurt at all. Number 2. Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. This kit is designed to give you professional foot care at home. It includes everything you need to remove dead skin and calluses, saving you time and money compared to salon visits. The kit comes with an electric callus remover, charging cable, 3 roller heads, a cleaning brush, and 2 exfoliating foot scrubbers. It's a complete set for all your foot care needs. It features 3-quart sand grinding heads and 2 speed settings. You can easily adjust the speed to suit your needs, making it safe and effective for different types of dead skin. The device has a long-lasting 1,200 mAh battery that provides 60 to 90 minutes of use after a 2 to 3 hour charge. The digital display shows the battery life, and a light illuminates the treatment area. It is fully waterproof, allowing you to rinse it under running water. This makes it easy to clean and perfect for use in the shower. This electric callus remover kit makes a great gift for anyone who wants to take care of their feet. We also offer friendly customer service, so you can reach out with any questions. What we like. This electric foot file comes with a complete pedicure kit, including multiple tools for comprehensive foot care. It features adjustable speeds and a battery display for ease of use. If you want a complete, convenient foot care solution, you should choose it. What people say. The device works effectively, is user-friendly, and easy to clean. It functions well on both dry and wet feet, with noticeable better performance on wet feet. I appreciate the long-lasting battery life, and the motor is sufficiently powerful to remove calluses, leaving your feet feeling smooth and rejuvenated. This electric foot callus remover works amazingly well. It quickly removes rough, dry skin and leaves my feet feeling super smooth, like I just had a pedicure. The roller is gentle but powerful, and I love that it's rechargeable, so no need for batteries. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and works great on heels and toes. Works wonderfully to make my feet so smooth. Number 1. Callus Remover Gel for Feet. Tired of rough feet? This callus remover brings the spa experience to your home. It softens and dissolves calluses, making it easy to achieve smooth, healthy feet. Get results in minutes. Just apply the gel and gently buff with your foot scrubber. You'll instantly notice smoother heels and soles. The new nozzle ensures a clean, targeted application. Protective gloves are included for safe and confident use of the gel. This gel is powered by skin-renewing ingredients like mint and glycerin. It penetrates deep to break down stubborn calluses, leaving your feet refreshed. This product will leave your feet feeling soft and ready for anything. It's the perfect addition to your foot care routine. What we like. This callus remover works quickly and effectively, providing salon-quality results at home. It includes a precision applicator and gloves for easy and safe use. If you are looking for a quick and convenient solution to remove calluses, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The gel works fast and noticeably softens tough calluses within minutes, making them easy to remove. Application is simple and mess-free, and the results are visible after just one use. The tool is sturdy and well-made, and the kit has everything you need for at-home foot care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.